Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqara. قال بل لبثت 100 عام فانظر إلى طعامك وشرابك لم يتسنه وانظر إلى حمارك ولنجعلك آية للناس وانظر إلى العظام كيف ننشزها ثم نكسوها لحمة فلما تبين له قال أعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير. Allah said, no, but you were dead for 100 years. Just look at your food and drink. It is not rotten. Then look at your donkey. Its bones have become rotten, and that we will make you a sign for mankind. Look at the bones and skeleton of the donkey as how we set them together and then cover them with the flesh. And when the reality became clear to him, he said, I believe that Allah has all the power to do everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala kept Uzair alayhi salam dead for 100 years, and when he was given life again, he was asked, how long did you stay in that condition? He said a day or a part of day, because his soul was taken away in the beginning of the daytime and his soul was returned in the end of the daytime. Hazrat Uzair salam was asked to see the food and beverages that he had, and during the period of 100 years there were no change in those things which were supposed to rot in few hours. And he was also asked to see towards his donkey that he used to ride, and he was dead and only his bones were left in the time period of 100 years. All the conditions were same for the donkey and the food items. However, Allah ordered the donkey to decay as it did, but Allah ordered the food to stay fresh and stayed fresh. So it was a demonstration that Allah has total control on everything, because Allah can cause the different results in similar situations for do different things. Allah can make someone get healthy with the same food, and Allah can make someone sick with the same food. And the same goes with the medicine, that on one patient the medicine work, the other similar patient the same medication won't work. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered the bones of the donkey to come together, and then Allah put the meat on it, and Allah made that donkey alive again. Hazrat Uzair alayhi salam saw all these happening in front of his eyes, and after staying dead for 100 years, and after seeing that his food did not get rotten in 100 years, and the donkey got rotten and then came to life again, he said that now I believe that Allah has all the power to do everything. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in this ayat that we would make you, O Uzair, a sign for mankind, and that is referring to the renaissance of Bani Israel. The Bani Israel, nation of Bani Israel, was at their lowest point, and Allah sent Hazrat Uzair alayhi salam, who did the preaching of Tawheed, and he did the training of Bani Israel again, and Bani Israel regained their lost position in the world and became successful again in the world, and also they came back to the true religion that Hazrat Musa alayhi salam brought to them. Let's pray that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.